Hey, it's John Houlihan with EZG Manufacturing, and we're back looking at the new updated version of the PPV Grip Hog. PPV means electric vacuum. The new Grip Hog PPV vacuum is improved with greater suction, another 15 CFM, wider hose, better capabilities, greater lifting strength, and it's still only about 11 pounds. Also runs on about a 12 amp circuit, so you can plug it into any homeowner outlet or any small generator. On the side is your power button, right next to your 50-foot included cord. And remember, we don't recommend any other extension cords because of amperage drop and the possibility of overheating on any electric motor. With a simple twist of the top, you can access the microfiber filter. You want to check it weekly, clean it. You can wash it with warm soapy water, let it air dry, you're ready to go for the next session. When you're putting the top back on, you have two choices. Just change the thread around 180 degrees and you can have the hose come from your left or right, whichever is more comfortable for you. Putting the new PPV together to get out on the job site is pretty easy. Our gooseneck fitting will go here, and we'll be using one of the 3 included worm clamps to tighten it down. Done. Our vacuum comes in on this side. Done. When we get down to each pad, we'll have an included aluminum fitting. That's for the battery and air compressor versions. We've got the vacuum, so we just remove it, put it aside, you don't need it. And you put this piece on here and put a clamp on and you're ready to go. With the Grip Hog PPV, you get your money's worth. We include 4 different size memory foam heads and the tool for taking on and off the heads. And when you're done changing the head and you've got the size you want on there, you take the tool, store it neatly right here on the unit itself, and it's ready for the next time you have to change. All Grip Hog heads use true memory foam gaskets. These are available from EZG in case they get damaged, and they're simply peel and stick. So what do people love about the Grip Hog, especially the PPV? Versatility and value. The number of heads, the amount of lifting capacity we've got, and the price. For what you get, we've got up to 200 pounds lifting capacity on permeable, dry cast pavers, or wet cast and natural stone. We get so much positive feedback on the PPV. So many guys are so ecstatic about the amount of labor savings. This will save time on your job, and it'll also save a lot of back pain.